Scott, you won't believe the results I've been getting with my new trading tool.
Really? What's the secret?
It's called Vantage X, a Forex trading robot. I started using it last month and it's been amazing.
VantageX. I've heard of trading robots, but never really trusted them. What's so special about this one?
Well, Vantage X uses artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades. It's incredibly precise and fast. Since I started, I've seen consistent profits, even in a volatile market.
That sounds impressive. But how do you know it's not just luck?
The robot's track record speaks for itself. It uses real-time data and has a built-in risk management system. Plus, I can monitor and adjust settings if needed. It's like having a professional trader working for me around the clock.
Interesting. So, you don't have to spend hours analyzing charts and news?
Exactly. It saves so much time. I still keep an eye on things, but Vantage X handles the heavy lifting. I feel more confident in my trading decisions now.
Maybe I should give it a try. Where do I start?
You can sign up on their website. They have world-class support service, which is always available to help. Their pricing is also very competitive. You should visit their website or contact them on WhatsApp.
Thanks, Miss Green. You've convinced me. I'll check out VantageX tonight.
You won't regret it, Scott. Here's to smarter trading.